Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to my fans of the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 4, Golden Arrows 0. I'm joined by the best analyst.
Hola, Steve Bafethu. I am Gidana Lukhulumayo Bafethu, the best analyst Bafethu on the platform. Bafethu, we speak game imnandi Bafethu. Golden Arrows versus Orlando Pirates. We have to remember before you go forward, Steve. It's been many years since Golden Arrows ishaya Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
That's number one. You have to understand.
Yes.
So head on head, it was favoring Orlando Pirates to win.
Yes.
But what I enjoy the most, namhlanje game really.
Yeah.
Really, I think namhlanje win of the match.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm sure to win of the match namhlanje. There's something I always tell you about O'Reilly. I tell him ukuthi angabi fast, makafika we red zone.
Yeah.
Abi slow.
Yeah.
That's exactly what he was doing today.
Yes.
He was not fast. He was very calm. Wonke amagoli wakhe mawuthi wabheka bekarelaxile maku red zone. I-red zone ngikhuluma phezulu kwe-18 area.
Yeah.
So uye ugijima ngebhola phezulu kwe-18 area, uya-relaxa, uyawaplaka. First goal yakhe uthola kamnandi, first touch uvula umzimba, uliplaka ku-top corner.
Yeah.
Every time angilo ngithi uRelemela relaxe kwi-final third. That's what I want. Ngifuna abe calm kwi-final third. Akore bheka amagoli wakhe mahle kanjani. That's because of that. Ngisho ukuthi angimamela. Because it's right. So my leader on that one, imnandi Bafethu. I was also paying attention to i-game yaka Nemtenjela, i-game yaka Mbatha in the middle. I think bayibambe kamnandi. Into meshaya i-riding i-Golden Arrows. I think uleft wabo, the left back yabo was very weak. Left back yabo,
Number 20.
I don't know which number yakutuban, but he was very weak. He was not 51. He was not good. Wonke amaphasi wakhe mewaphasa ama-opponent. And amapetlu wakhe ama-non-petlu wakhe mengawini wonke ama-tools wakhe. Plus no 41 mekadlala phambi kwakhe into ebayenza yena no 41 it was similar. Uzamuphasa u-41 down the line. But wonke amabhola agcina athola u-chain on the other side. So I think ukuthi ucoach Manqoba ukwazile uku-change igame kancane makalethe uSise, but I think ukuthi umlethe late. uSise star sabo le athi le abantu uSise star sabo. That's why you start seeing ukuthi igame iba ne-balance, yaqala iyadlala i-Golden Arrows. Everyone is comfortable on the ball.
Sure.
Otherwise, congratulations Mabhakani. Ngiyabonga.
Thank you.